Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Take a ride in the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, Bluetooth, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.